Get some money, ho. Tell me why you stressed. I didn't think it was possible for me to love Cardi B even more, but the Project Pat sample, like, she got album of the year just off the Project Pat sample, cause I'm ratchet. Whoa. Whoa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Myesha Skye, and today we are doing a makeup tutorial on this glowy spring look using all affordable products. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, sis, I'm totally judging you. We upload videos every Tuesday, and let me know if you guys want like another upload day, because I have the time now that I'm only taking one class, so I think I should do it, but you guys let me know if I should do it or not. Jumping right in, I'm just going to grab my Milani primer shield and rub that into my skin. Then I'm going to take my favorite drugstore foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 335, and just blend that into my skin with this brush that I wet with my Mario Badescu spray. Also, just so you know, everything that I use will be listed down below in the description box. So if you have any questions, make sure you check that out.
Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
Then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey, I believe, and just prime my lids.
And I does what I does, yeah, I might say it's really weird cause I got love. Snoop Dogg's a crip and the girl was a plug. She told me that her baby daddy was a thug. Now it is what it is and it was not was. I'm not a little mama like good Monday moon stack trying to get my keys back. All these memories.
Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Shine Free powder in the color Medium and just lightly set my lids with that.
In the freezer, ain't that Khadijah? I heard she was a skater. She used to hit them licks.
Then I'm going to grab the cult favorite Morphe 35O palette and start out with that top right shade and blend that into my crease. And then magically pop up on screen with my brows done, because I don't have a drugstore product for my brows. If you guys have anything, just leave it down in the comments below so I can try it out. Then I'm going to take this brown shade and focus it in my outer V to deepen it up. Then I'm going to take an even darker brown shade and focus that into my outer V and then work it into my crease as well. And then for the star of the show, it's this like orangey, coppery color that I'm just going to place all on my lid. It's so pretty.
Let's go.
And then I'm going to take the shade right above it and just blend that into my crease and outer V just to deepen up the look even more.
Let's go.
And shout out to Tone's mom for putting me on this, but I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black on my lashes.
Let's go.
There's something about this girl, man.
And then I'm going to go back to the face and apply the same foundation that I applied first.
Just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to hide it, make a difference.
Then I'm going to take two shades from the LA Girl Pro Conceal. That one is Warm Honey and Fawn. And I'm going to mix the two together and highlight the high points of my face. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Shine Free powder, I forgot to get a clip of it, and lightly set all the places that I highlighted. And then I'm going to take this Kiss powder that I found at my local beauty supply store for $2, and it's so bomb. And I'm going to set the rest of my face before I contour. Then I'm going to take this powder contour palette, also by Kiss, and take the lighter shade of the two and bronze my face.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
Then, because I'm extra, I'm going to take the darker shade and just carve out my cheekbones just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take the what the hell is e.l.f.? The e.l.f. blush palette in dark and take that top color and just blush my cheeks. And to highlight, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals and just highlight the high points of my face. Now, even though it's beat up and raggedy, this is Pink Diamond from Ulta. It's my favorite affordable highlighter, and I'm going to take that and go right over top of the places that I highlighted before. And I'm also going to use it for my inner corner highlight. I'm going to use my Sephora cream lip stain. I'm not sure what the color is. It'll be down below. And just line my lips with that. Then I'm going to take this Nana Coco gloss in the shade Cappuccino. It's like my favorite lip gloss of all time. And apply that to the center of my lips and then blend it in with the cream lip stain. And even though my cousin is rushing me because I'm extra, because my shoulders are out, I'm going to highlight my shoulders using the Pink Diamond highlighter from Ulta. And then I'm going to set my makeup using my Mario Badescu spray. And after it dries, this is the final look. Well, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and maybe share it with a friend or a family member if you really liked it. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.